How to make your TikTok account public. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from The Solution Guy, and in this guide video I will simply show you the way as to how you can go ahead and then make your account public on TikTok if you're not being able to. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. First things first, just make sure you have either downloaded or updated the TikTok app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your device's respective app store, in the search box typing in TikTok, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the application, now I will basically want you to go over and then open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, you can see this is how it is going to look like. Now sometimes what happens is that without doing anything, your account has been set to private by default and you don't understand why. It could be one of the primary reasons is because your TikTok account is most likely underage. So when you have an underage TikTok account, TikTok is going to protect your privacy by making your account private because they think that it's not reliable for you to go ahead and post content to the public or to the general audience. So in order to fix this, one of the most likely reasons is to get in touch with TikTok and then fix your birthday by going through all the verification process. But that is one of the most hassles that you can actually even think of. So in order to fix this, what we can do is first we will just go ahead and learn how we can go ahead and make our account public. To do that, just tap on the profile icon from the bottom right, tap on the three lines on the top right corner, go to the option called settings and privacy. Here you just want to select privacy and you can see private account. If it is turned on, you just want to go ahead and turn it off and then tap on the turn off button by trying to confirm it again, and that way you would have switched to a public account. But as I said earlier, if you're not being able to do it here, it is most likely because the TikTok account is underage. So to fix that, we're going to come back, we're going to scroll down and select the option called report a problem. Tap on the edit button on the top right. Again, tap on edit button on the top right. We're going to send a report to TikTok claiming that we have a new date of birth. You're ready to go with any type of verification processes. And when TikTok is going to get back to you, you need to actually verify with your original citizenship and so on. But if at last you're not being able to fix the option, one of the only ways that I can suggest you is to simply try to create a new TikTok account with an updated date of birth, because unfortunately this is the only way that works in TikTok. If you didn't pay attention to your date of birth when you were signing up for your TikTok account and you've already used that account for a number of posts, you'll not be able to change it just like that. It's not as easy as you do it on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat and other social media applications. Hopefully this video helped answer the question as to how you can go ahead and make your TikTok account public. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.